Japan's SoftBank is racing to finalize a massive funding deal of up to $22.5 billion for Sam Altman's OpenAI before the end of the year. The investment would be one of the biggest bets yet by SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son, as he looks to strengthen the firm's position in the global race for artificial intelligence.
SoftBank Group is reportedly racing to close a $22.5 billion funding commitment to OpenAI by the end of the year. According to sources, it's through an array of cash-raising schemes, including a sale of some investments. They added it could tap its undrawn margin loans borrowed against its valuable ownership in chip firm ARM Holdings. The bet on OpenAI is among the biggest yet by SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son. The Japanese billionaire wants to improve his firm's position in the race for artificial intelligence. To come up with the money, Son has already sold SoftBank's entire $5.8 billion stake in AI chip leader Nvidia, as well as offloading $4.8 billion of its T-Mobile stake and slashing staff. Son has slowed other deal-making at SoftBank's Vision Fund to a crawl, and two of the sources speaking to Reuters said any deal above $50 million now requires his explicit approval. SoftBank's push to marshal funds offers a window into the strain faced even by the world's biggest deal-makers. They're scrambling to finance ambitious AI data center projects worth hundreds of billions of dollars. SoftBank declined to comment. It secured a deal to invest in OpenAI at a $300 billion valuation in April. Since then, the valuation of OpenAI has risen dramatically, and the company is in talks to raise additional funding from investors, including Amazon.
The world's most valuable company, American's Nvidia, says it aims to begin shipping its second most powerful H200 artificial intelligence chips to China before the Lunar New Year. However, significant uncertainty remains still, as Beijing has yet to formally approve purchases of the US-made chips. The move follows US President Donald Trump's decision to allow limited AI chip exports to China under strict national security conditions and a government fee. Take a look.
Nvidia has told Chinese clients it aims to start shipping its second most powerful AI chips to China before the Lunar New Year holiday in mid-February. That's according to three people familiar with the matter speaking to Reuters. Nvidia has reportedly also told Chinese clients that it plans to add new production capacity for the chip, although significant uncertainty remains. Beijing has yet to approve any H200 purchases, and the sources added the timeline could shift depending on government decisions. Nvidia and China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology did not immediately respond to requests for comment. The planned shipments would mark the first deliveries of H200 chips to China after Donald Trump said this month that Washington would allow such sales with a 25% fee. It comes as China pushes to develop its domestic AI chip industry. Local firms have yet to match the H200's performance, raising concerns that allowing imports could slow domestic progress. Reuters reported this month that Chinese officials held emergency meetings to discuss the matter and are weighing whether to allow shipments.